front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here. So when I click, it's grey. That means that location is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down, click on the Location section over here, and use this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!